Check it out, boys. She's going down. They're demolishing, I guess they're demolishing this pink building, boys. And guess what? I'm drinking. I'll make a video here. I'll be making a video here sooner or later with the fucking demolishing of the building, boys. And that's the way she goes. To the way of the road. Yeah, you too.
Down by the dog shit. Look at it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's everywhere.
Could I please bum a cigarette?
No, I don't have any. I don't smoke. So.
I just quit, and it's like I don't want to buy a pack, so I thought you may not.
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
All right, boys. This is the demolition site, and this is the old Milwaukee site. So, cheers. Demolition drinking, boys. That's the way she goes. It's the way of the road. Too bad anything cool not happening. I'm gonna blow the place up. But yeah, sooner or later, there's gonna be nothing left here, boys. Take down the well, no wonder the building kind of looks like shit compared to all the other ones. So, it's the way of the road. Don't get too close to the demolition site, motherfucker. Alright, boys. Anyways, this is the last time you'll see this fucking place. Demolition zone. Alright, cheers, boys. When it's gone, I'll make another video and we'll see how she looks.